Hello everyone, this is Ruby from Granbo. Today I will introduce the B-series of our ultrasonic cleaners to you. This is the basic series, so the prices are the most reasonable, and this type is very easy to operate. As you can see at the control panel, there has only one knob for time control. You can set up 1 to 30 minutes as you like. Many of you can be concerned about the lack of heating, but actually it generates heat when the ultrasound worked, so it doesn't matter. And all of our products are used rubber foot for protect the machine and lower down the noise while moving. Both sides has the handle for easy to remove, and under the handle is the outlet for heat dissipation. Now let's look at the back side. You can see that there has a plug port and a safe switch. The double safety switch makes it safer and more secure. Also, our power cable are adopted the industrial level standard, and the material are heat and soft resistant. Now let me show you the inner part. The basket and the inner tank are all used SUS 304 stainless steel. And some of you may have the question about the basket, why we add it. Because when placing the items directly in the tank will causes it contact with the tank directly, and which over time will damage the stainless steel and the transducer. So the basket is a good protection. What's more, the inner tank we use the open mold stamping and no welding, you can see. So after use it's very easy to clean itself. When you received our products, the maintenance also important. First, keep the machine clean and cut off the power when you don't use it. Second, keep away from the heat source and avoid storing it in a humid environment. At last, do dust and moisture protection. And that is all the tips of our B-series. If you have any questions or suggestions, please contact us anytime. Thank you.